Okay guys, thanks Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video. I'm at Exeter St David's for a Saturday afternoon session. As you can see, we've got a few 150s in front of me. We've got the 150-244 now leaving to go to Oakhampton. It's on time. There goes that one. Got a Great Western Railway service on platform 1 going to Exeter, 150-246, and we'll catch number at the back once she goes out in a few minutes time. So in this video you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, Cross Country and South Western Railway in this video. Sound a bit under the weather guys, so you have to excuse my voice today. Sound a little bit croaky, but hopefully I'll be alright and be able to get through the video, or well, just about good really. So yeah, so without further ado, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, coming in now is a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. As you just heard, this is from Paignton. The London Paddington services are back up running normally now. As you heard last week, they were running on the Exeter Central way, but they're back to normal now, so I think they finished works near Taunton. AO2 112. There we go. Okay guys, back to the video. As you just saw right there was the Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. That's left on time. There's another IET on platform 6, not in service at the moment, but it's 800-304. We just had a 158 turn up there a minute ago, as you can clearly see, from Barnstable going to Exeter Central. And the Exeter train in front of that looks like it's about to leave any time now. It's 243 at the back of that double 150. So yeah, that's the state of play so far. So we will come back shortly. Hey guys, a bit late on the recording there. As you can see, the IET is now going out. Not sure to where though. It's not a passenger service anyway, I know that. I'm thinking. Entirely sure actually. Caught me off guard that one, us. Thinking it may be going to Bristol, if I was having a guess. There she goes anyway. Okay, now we should have a South Western Railway service terminated in from Basingstoke shortly. That one is running a little bit late. Not as late as last week though. We'll see the South Western Railway trains were running really late, 1 or 2 getting cancelled due to the diverts happening, but yeah, they are still running late again today, even though everything is more or less back to normal really. So yeah, speaking of the South Western Railway train, it's actually coming in now, so I will keep the camera rolling. Newer livery at the front, the older livery at the back. Not sure what will happen video wise moving forward on my channel. Kind of restricted this to like I said, staying local for now, guys, so hope you appreciate the understanding in that. Here is 159012. And we get the number at the back. Would be 159104. Yeah, not very busy at all. There we go. Okay guys, back in the video, and as you can see, we've got the castle set is about to go out to Cardiff Central. This South Western Railway train is going to go to the new yard. She goes. They keep the camera rolling for the houses at the Cardiff Central. The signal is actually amber for platform 5 at the moment. It's not green. Still going. 43189 at the front. Lancaster Castle at the back, not at the back, at the front, and the Caldecott Castle at the back, the 43029. There she goes. Not sure what's going to happen moving forward about this space. As you can see over there, I think they're planning to do something. They're going to knock some of the bay platform out and extend it. That could be a good idea to do. I mean, that would be a good idea to do in my view. Don't think there's anywhere else that they can really do to utilise this space now. Really, I mean, I think they've got a decent amount of bike racks now. There used to be a lot more though, but they got enough bike racks now. As you can see, there's hardly any bikes there, so even on a busy day there'll be enough bike racks here to lock your bike up. So yeah, it'll be interesting to know what they're going to do with that space, to say the least. So yeah, videos moving forward, guys. I'm not sure what's going to happen really. I have to say local, like I said. I'm trying to mix it up by going to different stations. Maybe at some point next week I may have another visit to St James's Park. You know, I can get there by bike, won't cost me anything. But yeah, that's why I'm staying local really, it's just to save on money really. But you know, hopefully within the next few weeks we'll be able to get on a long distance train trip. So many stations I do want to get to be honest. So yeah, it is in the plan, but I just need to think about what time to go. So maybe a trip there in the Easter time, who knows. If I got the money to do it, I'll do it. So yeah. Anyway guys, I'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Speaking of more trains, we've got the paint service coming in there, as you can see. Double 150 on that one. Okay, we got another train catching me off guard. It's the 150-216. It's not terminating in, it's coming in from Oakhampton going to Exeter Central. People say that the 150-216 is quite a weird train because of the seat formation. I tend to agree with people on that one, to be honest. think it goes the same with the 207. Obviously that's one of the Angel 150s as well. Unless my facts are wrong and that the 216 is the only train that does the 2-3 seat formation. Yeah, could be. Anyway guys, we'll be back very shortly. Okay guys, back in the video. As you see, just arrived a minute ago, is a Great Eastern Railway service to London Paddington. There's a 10 car on this one. It's 802020 at the back, NHS livery one. They kept the livery on this one at least, so that's something. Yeah, that's a bit weird. Pasha tried to get on the train when the doors were closing. That's smart. And there's the other IT from London Paddington. Going to Penzance, 800 316. There she is. Not sure what the number is at the front of this IT. But yeah, both of these ITs are on time as well. Which means that all trains at the moment today are actually running and are on time. They keep the camera rolling. There's a 158 on platform 1. Unfortunately, the 158 is my follower. The 959, which we will see quite very shortly. So yeah, that's just stay at place 2 far. We'll end the video with a cross country service to York. That's my plan anyway. So yeah, we might have a Bartsville service coming in shortly as well. We return at the 158956. May do a little relaxed trip to Barnstaple soon, maybe within the next couple of weeks. Sounds like a plan. Nice comfortable journey to Barnstaple. Why not, eh? Like I said in the previous clip, there is videos I got planned. I'm hoping to really do a long distance trip, probably during Easter time, hopefully, all being well. So yeah, Panson's just left. This service to Penzance should leave as well. I have to keep the camera rolling or not. I think I will. Here's a bike to go out. I've got to return the 158 and 956 behind me as well. Get the camera pointing this way. Just turn your attention this way quickly. There's the 158 and 956. Started to rain slightly, no surprises there. Good old British weather for you. Okay, I've got to keep camera rolling even more, so we got the 959 there going out. I have to do the honourable, respectable thing and record it, even though it is my follower. rather clean though, so I will give it that. Before I started Train Spot, I knew there was a 158, 158.954. But unfortunately, when I started Train Spotting, that 158 unfortunately got disbanded. So yeah. Okie dokie then, guys. We'll be back very shortly. Hey guys, got the cross country service catching our card there. Going to York, 220.024. 220.029 at the back. Looking, yeah, not overly busy, but a few people on there. Get these people waiting for the train here are getting on. And we're going to keep camera rolling for the final train of the video. It's a Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Penzance. 43092 at the front. Got that South Western Railway train there going out to Basingstoke. .43010 at the back, Lidford Castle. So as she goes out, I will leave it here at Exeter St David's on this Saturday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed all the selection of trains you've seen in this video, from Castle Steps to IETs to Vogers to 150s to South Western 159s. I think the only train we haven't seen today is cross country HSTs. They are running, but they're running at different times, and times I'm not going to be here, we'll see. But so yeah, some latecomers there for the train, didn't make it as always. So yeah, you know, still a good selection of trains nonetheless. So my next video, I'm not sure when. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for the Marsh Barton train station to open up, but I don't think it'll open up until around April time. So it's just probably another 2 or 3 weeks away. Not too far away now, but obviously once that opens up, I'll definitely make a video there. Probably end up making a tour video there as well, obviously. So yeah. But I'll probably try and make some other videos elsewhere, locally. Just depends, really. Okay, well, I might as well get this train on camera. I was about to say we haven't seen the turbo in this video yet, but we will see one now. This one's going to Paignton. It's 166206. I suppose ever since the pace has gone, like 2 or 3 years ago, we got so much variety down here now. So with the introduction of the turbos down here now as well, so it's obviously created a real nice picture of train. We've got every make of train down here possible now, really. Obviously, as going towards the end of the year, we won't have no councils. I don't think we'll have no HSTs whatsoever, but apparently the cross-country HSTs are ending in October as well, guys, so that because you gave a heads up on that. So obviously that would be sad as well. So come the end of the year, we probably won't see any HSDs, which is just unthinkable, really. Why get rid of them if they can still run and do their job? Why get rid of them? That's my view. No matter how old they are, as long as they can still do a job, why get rid of them? That's my view on it anyway. So yeah. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give a big fat like. And until next time, from me here at Exeter St. David's, I shall see you all soon guys. Take care.